Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the magic of Halloween with a special feature on the best Billy Butcherson costume from the beloved film Hocus Pocus. If you're a fan of this classic movie and want to channel your inner zombie for Halloween, you're in for a treat. This officially licensed Billy Butcherson costume truly captures the spirit of the film. From its meticulously crafted design to the attention to detail, this costume will have you looking like you just stepped out of the movie. Let's talk about what makes this costume stand out. It includes a jacket that features an attached shirt, along with a wig that perfectly mimics Billy's iconic look. The ripped detailing on the jacket gives it that authentic zombie vibe, making it perfect for Halloween or any themed costume party. The fabric is made from durable polyester, ensuring comfort while you wear it throughout your festivities. Plus, the costume is designed with a Velcro closure, which makes it easy to put on and take off. No more struggling with complicated fastenings when you're trying to enjoy the night. Now, a quick note on maintenance. To keep your costume looking its best, it's recommended to spot clean only. This will help you avoid any wear and tear, preserving its quality for many Halloweens to come. One of the great things about this costume is its versatility. Whether you're going solo as Billy or teaming up with friends as the Sanderson sisters, you'll definitely turn heads and spark conversations. It's a fun way to celebrate the film and show off your fandom. When selecting your size, remember, if you're between sizes, it's advisable to go with the larger one for a more comfortable fit. This way, you can enjoy your Halloween celebrations without feeling restricted. At a price range of around $48 to $49.99, this costume offers excellent value for those looking to get into the Halloween spirit. It's not just a costume, it's an experience that will let you embody one of Hocus Pocus' most memorable characters. So, if you're ready to awaken your inner zombie and join in on the Halloween fun, be sure to grab your Billy Butcherson costume today. Check out the link in the description to purchase it and explore all your options. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more costume reviews, and share your favorite Hocus Pocus moments in the comments below. Until next time, have a spooky Halloween.